Yeah.
Ninong son is fixing whose scooter?
No, Daddy.
Daddy's?
Yeah.
How'd you know?
So, pupunta kami ngayon ng Central Park sa New York. Saturday ngayon, so magbabay kami ni Lucas para bukas Sunday, church date bukas. So, isipan namin pumunta ng Central para magbike si Lucas kasi gusto daw niya magbike eh. Let's go guys! Lucas, let's go! Let's go! Laylay! Galing oh. See? So, reserve kami ng parking sa garage, kaya lang 35 dun eh. Pero nakakita kami dito sa street. Babayad lang kami $9 lang. So dito na lang kami magpa-park muna. What?
Eli, come here.
No, Daddy. Mom, can I get my bike to Dada? Thank you. Mama,
I know.
Mom, just put Daddy's cell phone there.
What?
Yeah, his cell phone. Bye. Ding 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 ding. Turtle lock. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding.
Luna, Luna, no, Luna, no.
Ano naman helmet? Wala naman lahat silang helmet.
Mm-hmm.
Anak.
Huh?
Is it one?
Huh?
Is it one?
What do you mean one?
1 p.m.
It's 5:30.
5 p.m.
Yeah. Eli, come here. Okay.
Ilay, go. Ilay, go. Naka-headset pa siya, hindi naman naka-activate.
What is it?
Let's go guys. Oh, Luna.
Wala pa ba?
Si Luna hindi pa siya consistent marunong mag-bike. Sabi ko hanggang dun sa may park ilakad muna yung bike para safety kasi maraming naglalakad dito eh. Hindi safe na mag-drive si Luna dito sa walking street. Nandito na kami sa Central Park para mag-bike ni Lucas. Ito yung isa sa pinakamalaki na park dito sa loob ng city ng New York. So, first time namin dito. So, tingnan natin kung may ikot natin ng buong Central. Pero ang sabi nila is sobrang laki daw nito. Si Lucas. Ayan si Lucas. So where's Buddy Buddy? Okay.
Layla! Wave, 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 girl.
The bike line.
Oh. Oh my god.
Nag-park na daw sila dad.
Oh.
So this is Cash Central Park. So inside the city, this is the only biggest park.
We're not eating.
Just imagine in the city they have a park inside of the city. Huh?
But it's outside the city.
Yeah, but look, is this really big?
It's really beautiful.
Yeah.
You hungry already?
Yeah.
Why? Why? I push you. Hi, Weiwa. Hi, Buns.
Eli, no.
So Dad, one day.
No, Eli.
Dad,
No, it's heavy.
Dad.
No.
Buddy gets you.
No. Yeah, Buddy is gonna come
And
soon.
then we're gonna go over there.
Yeah.
Push it. Move it.
Go this side and go back. You know. Luna. Go, Luna, go. You can do it, Luna. Do it now, go. Use your brake, Luna. Use your brake.
And that way I can go because
Yeah.
then I.
Okay? Come on, keep going. Practice. More practice. Very good. Very good, Luna.
There's so much people in the city.
Use your brake, Lons. Use your brake. Keep going. Very good, Luna. Very good. Keep going, Luna. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop, Luna. Keep going over there. Keep going over there. Don't stop. Pigeon.
Huh?
That's pigeon. So, naghahanap kami ng bathroom. Si Lucas gusto daw mag-toilet. So, naghahanap kami. Pakalaki na itong park na to. Sobrang laki. Wala silang bathroom. Ah.
Let's check.
Huh? What?
Get a fountain.
Yeah, they have fountain over there. Let's see.
Can we go there?
Yeah. How about you pee on the fountain, Eli? One?
Yeah.
Huh? Gonna pee on the fountain, Lucas?
It's too public.
Huh? To public? Let's see. Huh?
Okay, there.
Where you gonna pee? On the fountain?
Yeah.
There? No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Are you sure you're gonna pee there? Wow, Lai. Wow! See? Wow, Eli! Sa loob nito kami bathroom. Wala kaming makita. 5 minutes na kami naghahanap ni Lucas. Right, Lucas? Nakita ni Lucas. Yeah, see? Wow, salad. Did you see salad? Nice. Huh? Huh?
Is it a girl or a boy?
Yeah.
Girl or boy is a tail.
Yep.
And
See salad? Bike safely, okay, Lucas? Take it easy, okay? Not too fast, okay?
what about the other guys?
If you see the red light, we need to stop. You understand? This is only one way. Let's go. So gusto ni Lucas ikutin namin tong buong central na to. Siguro pag ginikot namin to, meron to mga 6 miles to 7 miles. Si Lucas, ang galing. Alright. Oh man.
Amazing!
So still keep going?
Until we get back.
Yeah. Oh, pagod ka na, no? Layo eh. Sobrang layo. Let's go.
I love it.
You want pepperoni?
No, I'm okay. I'm not gonna eat pizza.
No?
No.
Meron ka na din?
Yeah.
Meron ka?
Karing hal.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. That's okay. I'm okay. I'm okay, Lolo. Don't worry about me.
I'm full, Mama.
You full? Okay.
Okay, turn around.
Oh, wow.
What?
Wait.
Oh, let's go back. Let's go. I'm gonna help you. Come on. Let's go.
I was like,
Cash. Take relax, Lucas. No, your stand. Your stand. Your stand.
Oh, Dad, you know the one that is there. Hi, you were adorable.
Mm.
So cute.
Do again. Do again.
So, nandito tayo sa loob ng city. Ayan ang mga building. Oh. Sinabi na kami. Pauwi na kami. Ayan si Lucas at si Luna. Yan, nandun si mga kasama namin. Cut. Just imagine. Ganda dito pag gabi. Oh. Makikita nyo yung mga matataas na building. Yun lang yung pwede mo. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa mga yan. Pero nasa Manhattan daw kami. Yeah. Double check tayo ng setup natin. Baka bumigay eh. Gabi na eh. Setup namin. Uwi na kami. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat.